Hi, here we are going to implement an object avoiding robot by using ARM processor. Here we use a Nuvoton learning board and NUC140 IC. The group members who are doing this hobby project are Shashank, Kailasnath, Raghavendra, Lava and Vinay from MIT Engineering College, Manipal. The main component that we use here is the Nuvoton board. As you can see here, the board consists of a large number of pins. These altogether constitute 5 ports, that is GPIO A, B, C, D and E. So you can use these pins as inputs or outputs as you wish. This board has got its own keypad, then LCD display, 7-segment display. This IC is NUC140 IC. Then it has this is called ICE bridge. So if you want to load a program into your board, then you can load the program through this port. And there is UART port, and this is for CAM. It has got its own buzzers, and if you want to connect an adapter, 5-volt adapter to it, then you can connect through this port. And this you can see here is ground and VCC, and it's also we can get a 3-volt from here to the board. Or if you're using any other component, then you can draw power from this board. Here we can get a 3-volt, and from here we can get a 5-volt, and this is ground. The next component that we are using is IR LED. IR LED is used in our project in order to detect a wall or an object. So as you can see here, there are 3 pins and ground. One is for ground, one is for VCC, and one is for Vout. Then the other component that we are using here is a motor driver IC. Here we use L293D motor driver IC, motor controller. You can see here the pin configurations and the pin names and everything. And here you can see that pin number 3, 6 is connected to one motor, and pin number 11 and 14 are connected to another motor. This L293D IC is typically an H bridge. The motors in this IC can be rotated either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So while you are making your circuit, you must be careful how much VSS, how much VDD you have to give to your IC, and how much volt for enable. Everything should be taken into consideration. For writing the code, we use Keil software. So while you write your code, we must specify the IC that we are using here. So we have specified NUC IC, and all the drivers that we are using here, you need to specify here. And this is the delay loop that comes here, and this is a interrupt service routine. Then the main program comes here. Here for the pins 12, 13, 14, 15 of port C, we are declaring them as output, where we intend to connect our motor driver IC, which in turn connect to 2 motors. GBP11 is a pin for our buzzer, that is also declared as output, and to GPB1 we connect our IR sensors, which detect if there is any wall or not. We declare a variable that draws the signal output from the IR sensor. So if the IR sensor detects a wall, then it gives a value 1 to our variable. So it means that there is an obstacle in front of the robot. and that is displayed on the LCD screen. When it detects an obstacle, by using this code we can make our robot to take left turn. That is, 3 bits are made 1 and 1 bit is made 0, by which if you try, then you can see that the robot moves towards left. And when it detects no obstacle, then you can see that the LCD screen will show no obstacle. Then the port C, the output of port C is such that 1 bit is set, other bit is clear, and for another motor 1 bit is set and another bit is clear. That is, the 2 motors move in a forward direction. Here we can see that when there is no obstacle, the LCD shows no obstacle. When the IR sensor detects an obstacle or a wall, it shows obstacle in the LCD screen.